Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. I wanted to share you one good news and one bad news as well. So first of all, thank you so much everyone for liking my videos, sharing with your friends and family, apart from that sharing on social media platform. So the good news is my channel got international exposure. You can see on Facebook that Cruise Center has already started sharing my videos on their groups, on their pages, and apart from that on their website. Cruise Center is the community those are working on a cruise ship all around the world. It's the voice of the crew members who wants to share their stories and experience. Everyone is welcome to share their stories, what is happening on board. Cruise Center publish daily news about cruise industry. Apart from that, their main focus is shipboard employees. You will also find a list of recruitment agencies, apart from that port schedule and cruise itineraries. They also promote crew members, startup business and new ventures in free of cost. For more details, please check their website. I will put the link below description. Apart from that, you can follow them on Facebook. Also, I have started writing an article for cruise industry updates. Apart from that, all the department information, but it is not yet approved. So once it is approved and it is published, then I'll share the link with you guys. And now the sad news. The sad news is, as per their requirement, they want me to make all my videos from now onwards in English language only. So today's topic, I'm going to explain you guys about waiters and buffet attendant work responsibilities. To understand this video, I will recommend you guys to watch my part 1 and part 2 of F&B department. You can find the link in the below description box, apart from that in I button as well. And also I would like to thank Cruise Center for sharing my videos on their platform. So what's up everyone, it's me Sunil. Welcome back to my channel World of Sailors. Let's start with the first topic, that is buffet attendant. So if you guys are going on board to work as a buffet attendant, then your main responsibility that you have to take care of the buffet sections, such as setting up the buffet as per company standard. Apart from that, you have to take care of the hygiene as well. Also, you have to take care of the food temperature. Apart from that, you have to make sure all the food tags are proper, clean and visible. In the buffet, you have to take care of the drink station as well. So in drinks, you guys will be serving different types of tea, hot coffee, apart from that packet juice, milk, etc, etc. So you guys have to make sure that the food racks are not empty. Apart from that, the juice station is already refilled. Many more things you have to take care of at the buffet counter. Apart from that, the normal duty is like helping and assisting waiter at the busy time, doing clearance on the table, reset up the table. Apart from that, you have to clear the back area, you have to clear the side station, etc, etc. In back area, you guys must be knowing that you have to clear the glasses, then wipe the cutlery, crockery, refill the coffee, refill the milk. In the F&B section, there is one department called in-room dining. So basically, buffet attendant also help them to prepare their trolley for food pickup. In the buffet, there are various options for the food, such as pizzas, pasta, burger, soft drink, hot drinks. Apart from that, dessert and many more things are available. Also, there is a bar counter as well for other drinks. So the second topic is waiter. So the basically waiter is the in charge of one of the sections. So under him there will be a 4 to 5 table. They are mostly in a contact with the passengers, so they have to basically take care of the food and beverages orders. Okay, don't get confused. I understand that you guys are thinking that on the buffet counter there is a self-service, then what waiters are doing there? For that, you have to check my previous videos. Apart from that, I'll explain you a little bit more over here. So basically, waiter is in charge of the section. Okay, there are many more passengers, those are having an allergy. Apart from that, their food preference, then they want some modification in the food, or else they want to order by a la carte. So that time waiter is responsible for all these things. So waiter take care of the order, he makes sure that the passenger is not getting something wrong, and if there's a la carte order, then he has to place the order and do the follow-up for him. Waiters has to make sure that in his section the operation is going smooth, passengers are happy and satisfied with the food as well as with the service as well. This is the main point where you can earn some extra money, because the cruising will be for 7 days. So the passenger are going to come for the breakfast, lunch and dinner, and you guys are going to serve them every day till the cruise ends. If they like your service or company while having your meal, end of the cruise they will receive a feedback form on their emails. If they mention your name on that feedback form, that will help you a lot to grow on board. Trust me guys, because of this I have seen many people those are growing very quickly on board. Also, waiter have to inform at the hostess desk that in his section which are the table is going to be vacant, and waiter will never leave his section when he's on duty. Waiter has to monitor many things like cleaning of the tables are properly aligned and properly set up as per the company standards. Also, he has to take care of his side station as well, that all the mise en place available, glasses, crockery, cutlery, everything is wiped properly, and also all the orders in his section coming on time. They have a side duties like every week or every month there will be an inventory of crockeries, cutleries, glasses, linen and many more things. So each and every waiter is responsible for one of these things. The waiters are involved in embarkation duties as well. Basically, they will be roaming inside the ship and they will sell the beverage packages. And if you sell the beverage packages, you will get some incentives, that is apart from your salary. So you will get your salary, apart from that incentives and tips as well. Also, they have to escort passengers to the dining restaurant because they are first time on board. That's it for today guys. Hope you like this video and hope you understand that what is buffet attendant and what is waiters, all their job responsibilities and many more things. Please do like this video, share with your hotelier friends and family, and keep watching World of Sailors.